Hey everybody, so today I have this nice MacBook Pro, of course. You know, when I show you guys this, I always see the space gray version. None of you guys really have silver. None of you guys have like gold. I guess rose gold every now and then. I want to see Starlight. If you have that, definitely. I want to see that one. Let me know down below if you guys actually got one of those new M2 MacBooks with the Starlight version. It looks pretty cool, right? I want to see, it doesn't look like it's really rose gold. It looks like it's more of like a champagne gold, I guess. I don't know. But anyways, let me know. I'm actually really curious about that. Once we get that in for a repair, definitely want to go ahead and check out our channel. Definitely subscribe for that, because we definitely want to show you guys a repair on those ones when that comes in. I hope not too soon, because man, I would feel so bad for the person someone gets liquid on it already or something else. But I have here the a1708. This is, I believe, just by looking at it, usually this is the one with the hard drive, right? That's the problem with the 2017 model that has it, and we have it in here for repair. It's really weird. He actually said that there was a screw rattling around. He got it repaired at one place, and then it wasn't turning on. So he was worried about it being a screw, which usually isn't the case really for it, especially if it's just a screw was just rattling around, then it was replaced and then it stopped working. Usually it wouldn't work during that time, but anyways, I don't know. But something really here is really obvious. See this red dot? I don't have to show it that much, because what's the red dot mean? Anybody know why the red dot's here? Yes, it's actually what it is. It's not really supposed to be a red dot. It's usually one of these type of dots. You can see them all throughout the board there. And what that's going to actually be doing is going to be showing that there may have been some type of instance of a liquid spill, right? Because there's a dye there. When the water makes contact with it, you'll actually see that the dye will change this thing to red. So we know clearly that there is liquid spill. And where is this close to? This is close to the USB-C ports. So they're obviously power in is going to give a problem. And we're just taking a quick look at the bottom here. You could obviously see that it's been opened before, and I see some corrosion around this part here, so that makes a lot of sense because, well, there's a liquid spill, right? So we actually go ahead and we're gonna go open this up. We'll go see the liquid spill there, and I can just look at least from here for now, but we also need to take a look, make sure that the rest of the board's fine, because if it's on one side, the board probably hits the other, right? Because when you spill any liquid on it, you're not gonna be spilling with it face down. Usually what it's gonna have to do is it's gonna have to go through the keyboard itself to get to the board, right? Because where else is it going? So there could always be damage to that. So anytime you ever see liquid spill, it usually is the case because people use their drinks, they're going to spill it here. It doesn't work now, right? So it has to hit something. So let's go ahead and open it up. I'm going to open it all the way. So we pull it up. Let's take a look under a microscope because we already see the damage. Let's see exactly where it is, though. It might be in other spots too. So let's see. So this is close to the SSD here. And we see that red dot, right? And red dot tells us what? It tells us the liquid. So liquid is here. See the liquid. These are, I believe, for the backlight. So there's a little bit of corrosion on this side, which kind of makes sense. It's a little bit dirty here. We can maybe just do a cleanup, though. Nothing looks to be absolutely ridiculous here, though. So looks pretty straightforward and simple. Especially if it was working one time, maybe we can just put some flux, resolder it, clean it, and yeah, maybe that'll be about it because I see it here. So this isn't too bad. If you ever checked out our other videos, we have the boards are covered with green. We got stuff flying everywhere. I don't know what's going on, but it's always really bad. This one, you notice there isn't too much of a liquid damage here. A lot of stuff we can just do more of a touch-up, and we can clean it. It's going to be actually okay. So what we're doing here is we're using the flux, and we're going to use some heat. And what that's going to be doing is it's going to be reattaching the solder that has been already impacted by some of the corrosion, some of the liquid, and it's also going to be cleaning it as well. Because this liquid touched it, it didn't completely corrode it. You don't see any caps that are going underneath that are damaged. The pads are damaged. It's not like that bad. But now we're here. We're at the muxes here. This is the most important one. This is the most dangerous one. You can't just do that super easily here. You saw that we put the little strips of flux. You don't want to put too much, because if the flux gets underneath here, and you're going to have a big problem, especially this is a BGA chip, you're going to have a big problem with gunk underneath there, and you can really damage it severely. So you're going to see we're going to tap it totally lightly, just touch it up, and make sure the solder reattaches very well. Alright, so we have it here. Let's go ahead and see if it's going to go ahead and work. Go turn it on, plug it in, see what we're getting. Oh, the fan race spun already. We're getting our 20 volts and over an amp there. I'll hold on option. Sometimes I can get you to the boot menu there. Let's see. A little bit nicer if it did. Yep, there you go, to the boot menu. So power on. Everything looks to be pretty good. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed watching the a1708 2017 MacBook Pro that we did in here for logic board repair. If you did, please leave a like. It really does help us a lot. Subscribe for more content. We do lots of stuff with MacBooks. We do logic board repairs, data recoveries, lots of cool, fun things to do on the channel here. You should definitely go check out our other videos doing lots of other cooler repairs. We even have the one M1 Pro, M1 Pro Max also as well. Maybe you should go ahead and check that out for a liquid spill. It's pretty cool, actually. Go ahead and check that out. And subscribe for more content, and we'll see you guys next video. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care. Bye.